Hey guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this top knot with the two bangs in the front, continue watching.
The two little pieces I want to be my bangs, I part it off and then I just twist it up. Just combing my hair onto the top of my head. And then just gonna take a little coconut oil, castor oil, and put it on my hands and rub it on my hands so I can put it on my roots. Get rid of the flyaways. I'm gonna distribute the rest throughout to the ends of my hair. And now I'm gonna take my brush and brush it into my hand. I'm sorry if I'm looking dumb. It's because there's a mirror right in front of me, so I'm looking at the mirror. But brush it up to the desired place I want it to be at. Getting rid of all the bumps. And so now I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I'm gonna do it really tight at the top of my head. One more. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna brush a little more. Like I said, my hair is a little frizzy, so I'm gonna go back in with my flat iron and just straighten out the ends a little bit. Nothing too serious. And boom. Now I'm just gonna comb through it. And let's see if I need to tease. So I'm just wrapping it around. Yeah, I'm gonna tease. So I'm gonna get my comb and just tease it a little bit to add volume to it. Add volume to the bun, because I like my buns to look thick. So now that I teased it, I'm just gonna wrap it around and then take a bobby pin and quickly bobby pin where your hand stopped, and then do it again. Just bobby pin. And these little flyaways right here, just like morph it into the shape. Warp it into the shape. And boom. It's not hard, but and honestly, I'm surprised I got the shape I wanted on the first try. But yeah, it's not hard. Now I'm just bobby pinning the ends down so it don't come undone. Usually I have bobby pins on all 4 sides of the bun. So now that my little bun or whatever is done, go back in and unravel the little 2 twists we made. And then I'm gonna comb out the hair and I'm gonna use the chase method. I cannot speak today for some reason. Like when I was at work, I was messing up on my words too. But use the chase method. I'm not even doing the chase method. Anyways, girl, calm down. I'm gonna use the chase method to straighten out the bangs. Boop. For some silky straight hair, you feel me? Cause period, Sue. And just split it down the middle. And then last time I'm gonna go through and just bump the ends. That's all I need with the flat iron. When I go to my hair store, they give me sample packages of certain stuff. So I'm going with this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Morocco Edge Control. Cause I don't want to use Eco because it's gonna curl my hair back up, and I don't want to use my Murray's Edge Wax because it's too sticky and I don't like it. So just use this. It's great. The hold is okay, which is why I'm using it, because I don't want a strong hold on my hair. I'm gonna get my edge toothbrush. I'm gonna just swoop my hair up. I'm not doing nothing dramatic with my edges. God dang. Boom. And this is the final look. Oh, bitch, I look good. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? I look good. Anyways, That's all, folks. Thank you for tuning into my video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more shawty. You know what I'm saying?